So once Prabhupada was asked by a disciple a very intricate, complicated question from 5th Canto Bhagavatam. After Prabhupada had written and finished the Bhagavatam, he did that. He finished the 5th Canto Bhagavatam in Hawaii in 1974 or 75. 5th Canto. He was really working fast, He was in Hawaii when he finished the 5th Canto, Srimad Bhagavatam. So later, sometime later, after that was done, then the disciple said, well, Gurudev, 5th Canto, Shukadeva is explaining that the universe is so many billions of miles wide, and can you answer me this question? Can you explain what it says there? Then Prabhupada answered. He said, listen, I translated that, I wrote some commentaries on the 5th Canto, but you can't expect me to remember every single point of every single part of the Bhagavatam. And then Prabhupada said, do you know what the meaning of an intelligent person is? Intelligent person is someone who knows the answer, or he knows where to get the answer. So Prabhupada, when Prabhupada was asked that question, he said, you just look in the 5th Canto and you'll find the answer to the question. That's how he answered it.